What if I told you the secret to boosting testosterone isn't found in expensive supplements or mystery pills, but in this simple green leaf you've probably ignored your whole life? Yes, I'm talking about spinach. Once just a cartoon joke with Popeye, spinach actually hides a biochemical power most men don't realize. One that could naturally elevate testosterone, enhance performance, and even increase muscle strength. So before you scroll away, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the science-backed truth behind spinach and testosterone. And I promise, what you'll learn here could change the way you look at your plate forever. Pulse Theory 360, where science meets strength. Why testosterone matters. Let's start with the basics. Why testosterone even matters. Testosterone isn't just about muscle mass or libido. It controls your energy levels, mood, motivation, metabolism, and even cognitive sharpness. But here's the problem. After age 25, testosterone levels drop about 1% every year. Add in poor sleep, stress, processed foods, and lack of movement, and suddenly your body's natural hormone balance begins to crash. That's where nature, and specifically spinach, can help. The science behind spinach and testosterone. So what's hiding inside spinach that makes it such a unique testosterone ally? Let's break it down. 1. Ecdyssteroids, the natural anabolic compound. Researchers from the Free University of Berlin discovered that spinach contains a compound called ecdyssterone, a naturally occurring steroid-like molecule found in some plants and insects. In a 2019 clinical study, athletes who consumed ecdyssterone supplements derived from spinach showed significantly higher muscle growth and strength gains compared to a placebo group. Even the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, took notice and considered putting ecdyssterone on its monitoring list because of its powerful muscle-enhancing potential. Now here's the interesting part. Ecdyssterone doesn't work like synthetic steroids. It doesn't mess with your hormone balance or liver enzymes. Instead, it activates estrogen receptor beta in your cells, which signals your muscles to synthesize more protein, a mechanism that enhances testosterone activity without suppressing your body's natural production. So in simpler words, spinach helps your body use testosterone more effectively. 2. Magnesium, the testosterone mineral. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, one of the most underrated minerals when it comes to testosterone production. A study published in the Journal of Biological Trace Element Research found that men who consumed more magnesium had higher free testosterone levels, especially those who exercise regularly. Why? Because magnesium reduces sex hormone-binding globulin, the protein that ties up testosterone and makes it inactive. With less SHBG, more testosterone remains free and active in your bloodstream, which means better strength, focus, and vitality. And spinach happens to be one of the richest natural sources of magnesium on the planet. 3. Nitrate and blood flow. Spinach also contains natural nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in your body, improving blood flow, oxygen delivery, and vascularity. Better blood flow doesn't just mean better pumps at the gym. It also supports the production and delivery of testosterone throughout your tissues. A 2017 study from the Journal of Nutrition showed that men with higher nitrate intake had better endothelial function, basically healthier arteries that keep hormones circulating efficiently. So when you eat spinach, you're not just fueling your muscles, you're optimizing the entire system that helps your testosterone reach its target. 4. Zinc, iron, and antioxidants. Spinach also packs trace minerals like zinc and iron, both critical for testicular health and hormone synthesis. Zinc in particular acts as a testosterone stabilizer. A deficiency in zinc can drop your levels almost immediately. And the antioxidants in spinach, like lutein, chlorophyll, and beta-carotene, protect your Leydig cells, the ones that make testosterone, from oxidative stress, one of the main silent destroyers of hormonal balance. Now here's where it gets exciting. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how much spinach you actually need, the best way to eat it for maximum testosterone boost, and the surprising mistake most people make that kills its benefits. Stay tuned. This could be the turning point in your diet. F1. How to eat spinach for maximum testosterone. All right, let's talk practical science. How much spinach do you need, and what's the best form to consume it in? 1. The ideal dose. Studies on testosterone and magnesium levels suggest that consuming 100 to 200 grams of spinach per day, roughly 2 to 3 cups of raw leaves or 1 cup cooked, is enough to get measurable benefits. It's not about eating a mountain of greens. Consistency matters more than quantity. 2. Raw versus cooked. Which is better? Both have their place. Raw spinach retains more vitamin C, folate, and nitrate, excellent for nitric oxide production. Lightly cooked spinach, like steamed or sautéed, breaks down oxalates, which helps your body absorb more magnesium and iron. The perfect combo? Use raw spinach in your morning smoothie and cook spinach with your lunch or dinner. 3. Spinach Power Smoothie, Testosterone Boosting Recipe. 2 cups raw, spinach 1, banana 1 scoop, whey protein, or pea protein, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup almond milk, a pinch of cinnamon, blend it up. You've got a powerhouse smoothie that supports testosterone, muscle recovery, and energy. 4. Combine with healthy fats. Here's a science-backed hack. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, and healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin E and K from spinach. So pair it with olive oil, eggs, or avocado. That's when spinach really shines. 5. The mistake people make. Most people eat spinach alone and then complain they don't feel any difference. That's because spinach works synergistically, meaning it amplifies its testosterone benefits when combined with exercise, zinc-rich foods, and adequate sleep. So if you're living on 4 hours of sleep and processed snacks, no amount of spinach will save you. Think of it as the booster, not the foundation. Additional benefits that support testosterone. What's fascinating is that the same compounds that help testosterone also enhance overall health. Better muscle recovery, thanks to testosterone in antioxidants reducing inflammation. Improved stamina. Nitrates help your muscles use oxygen more efficiently during workouts. Reduce stress hormones. Magnesium lowers cortisol, the enemy of testosterone. Sharper focus and mood. Magnesium and folate support neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. So while you're boosting testosterone, you're also improving your mental clarity and stress resilience. Myth busting. Does spinach lower testosterone? Now let's clear one big myth. Some people claim that spinach contains phytoestrogens that could lower testosterone, but that's false. Unlike soy, spinach's plant compounds don't mimic estrogen. In fact, they help balance estrogen-testosterone ratios naturally. Multiple studies confirm spinach supports anabolic activity rather than suppressing it. So if you've been avoiding spinach for that reason, it's time to flip that narrative. All right, now you know why spinach isn't just a salad ingredient. It's a natural testosterone enhancer backed by science. It strengthens muscles, boosts performance, supports recovery, and improves vitality. all without the side effects of synthetic boosters. And remember, true biohacking doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from understanding how your body works at the cellular level. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and drop an emoji in the comments to show you're part of the Spinach Squad. And before you go, here's a teaser for what's coming next on Pulse Theory 360. The 5 foods that secretly kill testosterone, and you're probably eating them daily. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. You won't want to miss it, because at Pulse Theory 360, we're not just chasing fitness, we're decoding the science of human performance.